keeps $300,000 at home? Hi, De La Wright. You all know what's going on in our studio with your girl, De La Rama. Speculation rises that, that man is claiming he had kept $300,000 at home and that boy took the money and disappeared. And that happened on the day that they had that serious fight in that quarters. So the question is, who keeps $300,000 at home? Why would you keep $300,000 at home if that information is correct? What business do you have with keeping $300,000 at home? Is it accepted or is it acceptable in Nigeria right now to keep that kind of money in the house? Is it something that is legal and all of that? These are the questions that I think people should begin to ask. If the information is correct, because these are all speculations, okay? They said a major wahala now is the boy being accused of theft, cyberbullying, unlawful trespassing, and all of this. Now, the most serious of them all is theft. The amount is $300,000. And it is speculated that it is the money that they used to buy the house. So the question is, who keeps $300,000 at home? De La Wright, is this legal in Nigeria? It's a question that, I think people should be asking right about now. They said the money was meant for a project and they had just brought the money in. They kept it there. After all that yugu that happened, the money disappeared. Now, when that drama was happening, there were a lot of people in that house. The video was online, very rowdy, his security aides and all of that. So who is that person that did that thing? And that their house, I don't even understand. Well, I don't know. If he claims that $300,000 go missing, how are we even not sure that if at all there was that kind of money, some other person did that? Why should this boy be paying innocently for something that he never did? Because the videos are all there. They said there are security cameras all over the place. Yes, that there are security cameras all over the place. So where are the security cameras? Where are the, what do you call that thing they put inside security cameras? How come people need to see it? Nigerians are asking, bring it out so that we see. Let us see where the boy went to go and carry that money now. This is not fair. This is not fair. That boy has always been against that marriage. He's one of the family members that have never liked that marriage. He's one of the family members that feel like the sister deserves better. He's one of the family members that is most outspoken and all of that. And so this man has been, waiting for this guy to enter his trap. And unfortunately, on that day, the guy entered his trap. I really wish that this whole thing had happened in a different way, where maybe the boy was not there and this thing happened. It would have been so beautiful, because right now the entire family is so devastated. Imagine you going to bed in your cozy apartment knowing that your child is in one jail. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's an unbearable feeling. And that happens to be what this family is going through right now. Now, Nigerians are not asking the questions they are supposed to ask. And, if things do not go well, that boy might spend the entire year in that police station, because this man does not seem like somebody that wants to forgive. He does not seem like somebody that wants to forgive at all. He doesn't. They said the day of the hearing is on the 27th or 28th of November. If they move that thing again to January, that will be it. That boy is going to spend Christmas in detention. This is just so sad. It's just breaking my heart to see what these people are going through. And one thing that I think people should learn from, we all, our children, our teenage girls and all of that, they need to learn from this. So all that glitter is not gold. All that glitter is not gold. I'll bring you more Dela rights. I love you guys. I appreciate you. Thank you so much.